You guys, look. It's snowing out. When's it gonna stop snowing? Hey, anyway, I did a pre-sale detail this morning. It's cold, it's wintertime. I'd be curious to know what your version of a pre-sale detail is. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just want the car to sell. This is just a little Instagram story from this morning. A little video to hold you over on this February day. 2019. Check it out.
Hey, it's -3 degrees outside. That's pretty cool, huh? Wintertime, Midway, Utah. Let's go get it done. Woo! The frozen tundra.
Little pre-sale detail on this Audi.
Ooh, that's nasty. That is not good. All right, just wrapping up here, the pre-sale detail. How do those carpets look? Nothing's perfect, but the idea with the pre-sale detail is it doesn't have to be perfect. You're just trying to get it, like I said, you're just trying to get it to a point where nothing's distracting, it looks clean, and this thing's gonna sell in a heartbeat. Have a good day, guys.